Well, you get to this time of day in early January, you're not going to get many hours of visible satellite, but what we are seeing is those clouds continuing to lift off to the north, and the snowpack is showing on the visible as well. So we've had a few areas, especially Ottawa, Allegan, Kalamazoo County, 3, 4, 5 inches of snow on the ground, and that's going to be added to here in the next 24 hours after today being our first day with no snow. The cloud cover off towards Chicago and Milwaukee is now moving our way. But look at that sunset view. Again, the high clouds already starting to return, but a beautiful, beautiful picturesque view of the sunset there. We've got that all across West Michigan. Here's the view in Grand Rapids as well. I'll step off to the side so you can enjoy that one. Again, clouds getting ready to fill back in, mostly sunny here and 25 degrees. South wind normally brings in the warmer air. Didn't do a great job of it today. Still feels like 14 degrees, but we are 3 degrees warmer than we were 24 hours ago. Temperatures tonight, as those clouds increase, fairly comfortable along the lakeshore for this time of year, low to mid 20s, but still getting back into the teens for areas inland, which is right around average. Our average overnight low sits around 19 degrees. Notice this pocket, though, southwest wind, starting to see temperatures at or above freezing in Wisconsin, Illinois, and Iowa. First time we've seen that on this state map in about a week. With that, we are getting some warmer air in the short term, but the cold front is not far behind. And there is a big system once again missing us to the south. Advisories and warnings posted there. Widespread snow from Oklahoma to the Carolinas. We're getting this front, and that has a narrow band of snow. We're not going to get a whole lot. In fact, the only reason we're getting significant snow in any area is because of lake enhancement. So Lake Michigan doing its part there. Temperatures in the next 2 days, even after the cold front, not going to be anything to drop our temperatures significantly. The focus within the front is just the lift of moisture rather than any temperature swing. So here's future track in the hour by hour. We see that snow start to fill in around 8, 9 o'clock, and we're going to be watching for some heavier bands out near the lakeshore, especially in Muskegon and Ottawa County in the early part of the day. And then as we roll to the afternoon and evening, those heavier bands should drift south, becoming more of a focus in parts of Allegan, Van Buren, and Kalamazoo counties. And that's why these are the counties in the focus with that winter weather advisory. And we could see 2 to 5 inches of snow. The more I look at it, I would say wouldn't be surprised to see some isolated 6-inch totals, and then widespread 1 to 3 here if you're along and east of US 131. So a snowy day on Friday is ahead. Lake effect snow lingers into Saturday. Sunday and Monday, another system setting up, and that one's going to bring the cool down Tuesday and Wednesday back to just highs near 20 degrees. And we don't see relief in sight. 8 to 14 day outlook keeping us in the cold pool. And we're looking to set our record for the longest streak of temperatures below freezing since 2020.